Wow, there's a good news. Do you know you can send your status, WhatsApp status, save it with a music? This is a new update that just came up on WhatsApp recently, and I'm going to go through, show you the way to do it in just a second and make your WhatsApp status so lively and interesting. Alright, before we go into the tutorial, you're welcome to Genesis channel. Here we talk about how to make legit money online and everything, Facebook ads and social media adverts. So hit the like button, subscribe if you've not done so, and watch other videos. Alright, let's quickly go straight to the point. The first thing you do is to go to your WhatsApp. You all know what WhatsApp. If you don't have your WhatsApp, go to your app store and download WhatsApp. If you have your WhatsApp, go straight to your WhatsApp. This is how WhatsApp icon looks like. You quickly do what? You click on your WhatsApp icon. When you click on your WhatsApp icon, quickly go to your updates. Look at what they call update here. Go down here, you see updates. Click on the updates. You go straight to your what they call your status. Look at my own status here. Look at my own status here. I want to show you how my status look like, guys. So look at my own status here. So you want to add your status. All right, so what you just need to do is to click on that plus icon here. Click on the plus icon, then you're good to go. Then you select the picture you want to use to add to your status. Let me just look for a picture. Maybe, for example, as a business owner, you just want to put something unique on your WhatsApp status, and you add your music to make it lively and interesting, so people will be able to view your status and not get tired. Is this not amazing? You just go ahead and pick your WhatsApp status. Now let me just pick my own. I prepared a thumbnail for this. Let's pick this thumbnail. Now look at this icon here. We have this one that looks like this music icon. That is what we are going to be using to add music to our WhatsApp status in second. Oh my God, if you've not hit the like button, do well to hit that like button right now. Then there's another icon here. This one, use it to crop. Use it to crop your status. Maybe you want to make arrangements on the picture or something, you arrange it. Then this one here is what they call text. Use it to type. All right, now this one here, you can also use it to erase. Use this to erase. Now there's another feature. Look at this one. You can add a caption. You can add a caption here. You can add a caption here. You can add a caption here. All right, so now let's quickly go straight to the point. Now look at that. Add music. Remember the icon of music. Remember the icon of music here. You're going to hit it. Hit the music. Now you will see search. Let me go to that. Search song or artist. You can search any artist of your choice. Now you have popular. Now you can see Facebook made it so easy. Popular in Nigeria. So if you're in other countries, WhatsApp will be showing you the music popular in your own country. And guess what, guys? Before you do this, make sure you update your WhatsApp, because if you don't update your WhatsApp, these features may not show you. You won't see these features, so you need to update your WhatsApp. Now look at the beautiful music you are seeing. Evidence, different music. You just pick any one of your choice. When you pick one, let's say for example you're picking this one. All right, so you will click on this sign. When you click on this sign, it will quickly download. Let me reduce my volume so that you will see. We'll click on it, then you'll see how, because I'm trying to avoid copyright issue on my channel. So let me just reduce the volume so it doesn't, you don't hear the voice. Alright, so the reason I muted this song is because of copyright claim. Alright, so I muted it so that it doesn't sing, and YouTube can give copyright claim if you're using someone else's music. But in your own case, you're just going to see it. So once you just pick, the next thing you do is to click on done. Click on done, then you're good to go. You click. All right, so as you can see, now we've clicked on done. If you go to this, you see that it has been added. It's sending. So once it's done sending, you see successful. I'm going to show you good status sent. So you can now go ahead and play your music, your status. All right, so actually you go ahead and play your status. Now let's just do something like that. I'm going to be, using the volume. So that's all. That shows is already here. The reason why I didn't play it is to avoid copyright claims. All right, so once you do that, the WhatsApp status will be so lively. You can also do it to different. You can add more music, more products, more services with music in seconds. Just go to this plus icon, keep adding. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.